Hey, it's Home Biz Joe here. If you've been looking for a real home business opportunity, but you're tired of hype, confusion, and systems that make everything way harder than it needs to be, I want to show you something that really caught my attention. It's called the Home Business Academy. Now, what stood out to me about this opportunity is that it's built around simplicity, leverage, and long-term potential. A lot of people want to build income online, but they run into the same two problems over and over again. Problem number one is credibility. A lot of people feel like they can't really promote anything because they don't have a big story yet. They don't have huge results yet, and they don't know how to get people to trust them. Problem number two is tech overwhelm, and this is where a lot of people get stuck. They start thinking they need to build websites, set up domains, write emails, create sales pages, learn automation, connect everything together, and before they know it, they are completely overwhelmed. And they never really get started. That's one of the reasons this opportunity stood out to me. With the Home Business Academy, you're not starting from scratch. You're plugging into a system. When someone takes a look, they are able to see a professional presentation, a proven sales process, and tools that are already designed to help explain the opportunity. That means you do not have to figure out every single piece on your own. You can leverage the company's system instead of trying to invent your own from day one. And for a lot of people, that can make a huge difference. Another thing I like is that the company has been around for years. They didn't just pop up yesterday. They spent a long time building the products, the systems, and the foundation. That matters to me because if I'm going to put my time and energy into something, I want it to be something that has real structure behind it. I also like that this is not just about getting access to a page and hoping for the best. Inside, there is training, support, and coaching to help people actually learn how to bring traffic and build the business. So it's not just, here's your link, good luck. There's a bigger system behind it. Now let me be clear, no opportunity is magic. You still need to take action. You still need to learn. You still need to get eyeballs on the offer. But if you've been looking for something that gives you more leverage, more support, and more structure than trying to do everything alone, this may be worth checking out. That's why I'm sharing it with you. So here's what I want you to do next. Check out the information below this video, take a look at the presentation, go through the details, see what the products are about, see how the system works, and then decide for yourself if this feels like a fit for you. If you're serious about building something online and you want a simpler path than trying to piece everything together alone, I think you'll be glad you took a look. Click the link below and check out the Home Business Academy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Okay? Okay.